Why does my Shopify store say opening soon? I'm going to show you why my Shopify store is opening soon. The opening soon message is essentially a password-protected preview page that comes standard with all newly created Shopify stores. As the store owner, you're logged into the backend of your Shopify store. This automatically bypasses the password protection, making it appear as if your store is live. However, for anyone visiting from the outside, the password wall remains firmly in place, causing them to see the Shopify store opening soon page. Once logged in, locate and click on Online Store in the left-hand side menu. Then select Preferences from the submenu that appears. In the Preferences page, scroll down to the Password Protection section. You will see a checkbox next to Enable Password. Uncheck this box. Finally, click the Save button located at the bottom right corner of the page. It's always a good idea to double-check your store's URL after disabling password protection to confirm that it's now loading without the opening soon message. You will find your store's password within the same password protection area in your Shopify preferences. You can copy this password and share it with the individuals you choose. You can then use it to bypass the opening soon page and access your pre-launch store. There are a few other reasons your store might not be appearing live to your visitors. Problems with your domain name connection or DNS settings can prevent your store from being accessible. Sometimes, if your Shopify plan invoices haven't been paid or there's an issue with your payment method, your store might be temporarily deactivated. Errors or conflicts within your chosen Shopify theme can also affect your store visibility.